So we've got our decorations ready. And now another thing that I learned from the video and from this non-fiction book, that it's tradition for the children to receive lucky red envelopes from their like grandparents and parents. I've got one here. You see all the Chinese symbols on the front and the colour red again, isn't it, for good luck? And what do they get in their envelope? Do you remember what they said on the video? Yeah, they get given some money. Now, we're going to make a red envelope now, and then maybe if you're lucky, someone might put something in it. But we'll have a go at making a red envelope. So in your packs, you've got a red piece of paper with this template on. And the template, what you have to do is to cut along the bold black line all the way around there, okay? Not the dashed line, because the dashed lines are for folding, and if you cut along those, then you won't be able to fold. So you have to follow the line all the way round the edge, and then what we'll do is we'll end up with a template which we can fold to make a red envelope. So I'm going to cut mine out now. Right, can you see I've cut it out? And I haven't cut along those lines, so I'm left with this template. And like I said, we've got to now fold along the dashed lines. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my ruler, and I'm going to use the ruler to help me to do the folding. So I'm going to put my ruler along the line there, the dashed line, and then I'm going to bring the paper over and really crease and fold it along. So that's one fold, see that? And then I'm going to do that with the other side along the dashed line, and the ruler then will help you keep it nice and straight. And then we've also got these bits on the end, the tab parts, which are going to help us to fix and glue it together. Right, can you see that? So we've got all the lines now folded, and actually with it folded you must probably be able to start to see how the envelope comes together, because you fold your tabs in and that will go over the top. You put your money in there, and then you can glue down the flappy bit of the envelope. So what we're going to do now we know how it works, we have to glue that side and that side of the tabs. I'll just get my glue. I'm gonna carefully press this side over and glue it down. Because the tabs are there, I haven't glued the whole thing down. That leaves the envelope section for you to be able to get someone to put some money in for you. Now, don't seal it, obviously, until you've got some money in it. But it doesn't quite look like one of the lucky envelopes yet. What's missing? Yeah, we haven't got any symbols, have we? So we need some Chinese symbols, and they're like gold colour, and I'm going to use some yellow paint to do mine. And in your packs, I've given you this symbol, so you could always put this one on the front. This one here means good luck, or you've got the letters, haven't you? So if you wanted to use any of those letters. Or another thing you could do if you wanted to, if you found out which year of the animals when you were born, which animal you are, you could always copy the symbol from that one. So it's up to you. I'm going to use the good luck one, and I'm going to paint carefully in yellow on the front of my envelope. Very carefully. I'm going to try and do this bit first. I have to go over that a few times so you can see it on the red paper. And it's just copying very carefully, like you have done when you did your name on the hanging decoration. There we go. So I've got my good luck symbol on my lucky red envelope, and once it's dry, I'm going to put some money inside, seal it, and then maybe when we have some Chinese food later, maybe you could open it then.